same trades, and at the same time I'm going to explain how to trade. But I don't think we're going to make it today. I don't like the market and the price moves that I see. As you can see, like this, if we took the NZD USD, not good. Also USD CHF, Aussie dollar. Market is kinda yeah. What is this? The GU trade is good. It's a six candle. Yeah. GU call 5 minutes expiry. Yeah. Although this trade has been good, yeah, didn't. Yeah. Come on. Okay. The rules to trade this is when we want to trade 5 minutes, we take we pay attention to the timing also. What I have found with this system is that it tends to make a call or to make an uptrend or a downtrend depending on the last on the previous trend. And let's just find one. Yeah, the market's kind of not stop trending today, strong trending, and no reversals. Shit. Oh, trees. Yeah, this one and the GU, not good. Not good at all. So what I have been talking about, yeah, the rules. The rule trade this is we want to see like this a down a clear and strong downtrend, and when the time you see this is the 34 to 35 candle, and it's touching the magenta line plus the yellow arrow. We want to take 5 minutes call, and you see this candle has been very spiked up. 5 minutes, 1 2 3 4, we would have been deep in profit. So I think you have got the idea. No, both of you are not even listening. Never mind, I'm recording this to even post it in the Facebook group. What the heck did I do here? Yeah, 5 minutes. 4 pips, 3 pips. It should with no, didn't. Never mind. So trading. I already woke up. I'm not even focused. So we want to take trades based on Simon. Also, we want to take the rules price clear, strong or up or downtrend, touching magenta or the red line plus the arrow, and we want to take care of the timing. Like if we like a signal, it's just this one already targets and it's not even valid. But this one would have been good. You know, this is the last minutes of the 5 minutes candle. We want to take it for 5 minutes because we see a strong downtrend touching magenta line, magenta almost touching the red line. Now plus the yellow arrow. We want to take this for 5 minutes. I already took it and I don't wanna just double my losses for today. But the Aussie dollar trade is in the bag. No. Kind of messy markets for today. This is why I'm taking only $5 trades. I don't want to risk more than this. So this is it. Like this one here on the 5th candle, it has gave us a red arrow, and we want to take 5 minutes. But on the next 5 minutes come. Come on. Yeah, and let me just see. Yeah, someone has already just gone. out. This trade is also good. Why didn't the heck I seen it? Yeah, this one did the arrow on the sixth candle, and if you take it, you would have been fine. I know why I don't see such things. I've been busy explaining maybe. Yeah, the first trade has been a loss. Oh come on, it would have been good. The GU trade. Get a messy trend, and I think it's 11. Not now. Not now. If yeah, this trade would have been good. This one. Also this. The GJ, I'm not going to take it. As you can see, messy trend here now. The price action you see is ranging, and even I have the rules touching the red line, and the arrow has just appeared and disappeared. I don't want to take this. I want to see clear. Yeah, this is the trade. Maybe 15 minutes call to the half an hour would be good. On the NZD dollar and what else? And the GU and the dollar call. If anyone there and hear me, you take GU if you want. GU 20, 20, 30 call, and also the NZD. I hope I have it here, not the CAD. Although I don't like to trade Mondays, this is the NZD already jumped, but not a good trade at all. Not a good expiry. Um, I'm gonna cancel the NZD USD. I don't have the 70-30 expiry, so I'm not going to check it. But the GU is good. 15 minutes, you see clear downtrend in the last 19 minutes, 15 minutes, as you can see. All of them out. I think this is due to messy weather these days. In my country, it's been rain since where was this? 2014 Thursday, and I have been at home since Thursday and sleeping since that day. But yes, last night I haven't slept at all. Yeah, the NZD I just took it. That would have been a good trade. Yeah, I'm not even a full still. I already woke up. The Euro USD being a good trade. Also, as the NZD USD 5 minutes. This one, the USD CHF. This is why I told you that I don't want to take the GJ, because I see this messy trend here, messy price action, and then it gives me the arrow here. You see strong down, strong two bearish candles. This trade, I didn't notice. I don't want to take this because it's not touching the magenta line. Although this one has touched the magenta line, then went down. We want to take high probability trades. This one has been a good trade also. What else? This one has the arrow, but did not touch the magenta line, but it's been deep in profit trade. Seems like I took the wrong pair. It's just trending down from 76 to 41. Not a good day at all. I'm at $490. But the LZD looking good. Yeah, I'm going to take the GJ maybe. Oh, already jumped up. Yeah, just get down a little bit. Get down. Oh, yeah, DO USD. I don't know what's going wrong with these arrows? At the first day they have been giving me audible alerts and now they don't. Yeah, take it right now. Nice doji formation and the GJ. Let me just wait for this guy. But I'm going to take it right now. 48. Huh. Um, I'm risking too much today, but I don't care. I want to test out the system before I deliver it to people and make them invest their money using it. I rather prefer to lose my own money testing the system rather than making people to lose their money trading my system. I want to trade it and test it on each market condition. But as I said, I don't like to trade Mondays. People don't want to trade. I don't like to trade Mondays myself. I prefer to take it as a rest or practice on demo or just practice also scalping or forex. I'm in the last few weeks I've been working on a scalping strategy for forex and it should work for me. And I want to code a EA for it. I have a bad luck today. I don't think I missed the great setups like the NZD, the Euro JPY, as well as this UCHF. And I took the wrong ones. Like the NZD, if I took it, if I had the 1730 expiry, I would be safe. But I took the GU, doesn't look good. USD, it has to be going down. Uh, so those just being a honest and live trading recording. So I want to avoid people's negative people comments and stuff. Someone is already just messaged me on Skype telling me that your system you're using repenting indicators because the channel does move sometimes, and that if it does move, it doesn't mean it's let's say painting. What's a painting indicator is one that jumps like we had this arrow on the MT4, like the arrows on the MT4, the arrows, um, they give you arrow here, and when the trend doesn't go in the direction, they just disappear from here and appear here. But on this system doesn't do this, and according to the channel, it has to reposition itself to give what do you call this? It has to update itself with the price. So in the future, you can take other signals, the future signals, depending on it. If it does just take the data of this morning, of the pricing this morning, you won't see it anymore. It has to reposition itself to help you identify the signals in the future. So it doesn't repaint. It's not repainting. Well, the USD trade looks good, but the GJ, I know that I'm taking a huge risk when taking the trade, but I did. So I'm a little bit not focused. Euro GPY, I really want to take it. 20, yeah, that's good signal. Come on. The Euro USD trade, it has to be good. Has to finish in a good position. Shit, it has faked me out. Uh, so the euro dollar trade is in profit, but the GJ has faked me out. And for Euro GPY, it will end up a winning trade, I hope. Because I see this pattern, A, B, C, D pattern. It should go up just wait after big candle. Okay, the GJ trade is a mess up. I already had to take that trade. And the GU trade, oh, horrible. Oh, I don't think it's going to make it. Oh, never mind. This is trading, people. This is how you have to accept this. You have to accept losses as well as you enjoy when seeing when having winners with the system. Yeah, the Euro GPY is good. I can't see any signal, any good trade to be taken. Sometimes when I backtest to the charts, I see that like this the trade here, even the arrow doesn't appear, but when it touches the lines and the other two rules apply on it, it's a good trade to take it on your own without the arrows because 80% of the trade execution is human decision, not the indicators. The indicators just help you uh, to find the better strike rate and the better entry for your trades. So human decision um, still the most important thing in trading. You have to focus on this as well as you like to get every system and every indicator you see that someone has made some winning trades with it. It doesn't work that way. You have to you have to make your judgments on the trade whether to take it or not. Still, the human experience still plays an important part in the trading. Shit, what are you doing? No, no, you're not doing this to me. Did I take it there? No, I took it here. Uh, yeah, when it has came there, I see it. Which this trade is going to give me. Not a winning trade. Never mind. So this is as I said, Yeah, go up, please, go up. Ah, no, it didn't came up. Yeah, not a good essay that I got when I tried to put it right here. If I just take it here, I would have been in a good position. Never mind. And I should have waited until the end of this count. And I also sometimes don't follow the rules strictly. This is a human error. And still, so finally, did you started to make some trades to the upside? Just check. Ah, not good, even though. So now signal to take, but this one was good. I don't, I don't trust Monday's Monday trading. I don't trust it anymore. I won't trade it. Shit, I didn't. I did a big loss today. Started from 525 maybe. Okay, there would be other winning days coming in. Yeah, still have 3 minutes. I don't think I'm going to make this trade. It's just ridiculous. As you can see, the long session already closed, and after that, and it's been an hour before. It's been the lunchtime in the US, and the long close. So um, the price will just be kind of um, move, slow down, and there is no volatility to, yeah, let me see here, USD trade. Okay, maybe this is the final trade. I can't resist when it comes to trading. So now, let's just see clear patterns here. I take the trade at the end of this minute. I see this is the, yeah, this is the ABCD pattern. Now, what is this? STC check, let me just check it on the clear chart. Well, a recent, what is resistance and support here? It has broke the support, I see. Let's just focus on the euro dollar trade. Okay, I go maybe to find something to eat. This UJ was a good trade, even for 15 minutes. 15 minutes call, that would be good. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching the price and the live feed and the live trades and signals that it gives. I was eating um you can say having breakfast. um well, I think, yeah, the USD GPY trade is in profit. Yeah, still in profit. The What is it? The euro dollar trade, yeah, for 15 minutes it's also good. Yeah, it's been good. Um, from here, yeah, somehow good trade. And if you see this, this is a, what do we call this? Uh, Maybe this is a cipher pattern. I don't know. I am of the harmonics patterns I have talked about before in the group. If you want to learn those patterns, I'm here and I can do live webinars teaching you how to treat them, and also give you handouts regarding their regarding their criteria, trading rules. Sorry for cutting out the voice. Uh, there are some friends here of my partner maybe, and they're just making laughs out there. I don't like to get that recorded in my webinars and stuff. So I like to keep everything in privacy. Well, the trade is good for the, what is it? The USD JPY. Also, if I do the euro dollar, but I took it 5 minutes. That's good. If you see this, if you see this, this is the another good trade. I don't do this just to show you trades from the past because I wasn't here to watch this. And yeah, you can see this 35 candle, the last minute, the last candle of the 5 minutes candle. And if you want to take it 5 minutes, that's cool. Also for this one, with this the morning star or the doji, I get mixed up with those patterns. But when I see such things, I know what it. I don't wanna like. I don't like to um know each name of each candle pattern. I just it's a reversing one, and this one is an engulfing. Yeah, I spent a lot of time learning such things, and when I was trading forex, this is why yeah, the experience does play, does have role in the trading on the indicators and stuff. Come on, the last, ah, the 43, not the 44. Come on. Well, so to recap what I've been talking about is that you want to see clear cuts trade the trend in the market, and then you take the reversal according to price touching the magenta of the red line, and the arrow appears one of the arrows, whether the red, the yellow, the green, any one of them, and the timing. Yeah, the timing. If you see, like, where is it? Since the beginning of the hour, the price has been jumping down, and we got a trend, a reversal here, and the signal to take this trade, to take trade. I want to take it for 15 minutes because I know the price will retrace at least 50 or 61% of this trend. since it's the hour, the start of the hour, and 15 minutes trade would be good. Also for 5 minutes it will be good because this is the timing. Well, like this. See, this is the only 28 candle, and take it for 5 minutes would be good. As I said, take care of the timing also. If you got this, 5 minutes, you're for good. Um, this. Yeah, that taking 5 minutes depends on the 5 minute candle, open of the candle, or even if it already got a minute of the 5 minute candle, it's good if you haven't got the trade early, or the price just jumped on the first candle of the 5 minute candle. You can take on the next one for 5 minutes would be good also. So no more than the first candle of the 5 minute candle. What I mean is like this. This is the last candle of the 5 minutes from the 30 to 35 candle, 5 minutes candle. This is the last one. And if you didn't like, let's just pretend that this first candle of the 5 minutes candle has went also down, but you see that this is a good trade and the timing is there, and what we miss here is the arrow. But if you want to take it on your own risk, you can take it for 5 minutes. Even this candle has closed, you can take it here. If this candle was also, of course, a bearish candle, you can take it. This happens sometimes the first candle of the 5 minutes candle just jumped up, and sometimes it just continue down, then we see retracement and the reversal. So the more let me just give you that brief rule. The more the trend took many long time, the longer our trade expiry we take. As you can see, we had here 30 minutes or 20 minutes downtrend. We can take it for 15 minutes because we see this is a strong downtrend for a long time. 20 minutes, we can take 15 minutes. But if we see like this, if we can just have the chart from here to here, let's just get this, and we've been going about 10 minutes down, we can take 5 minutes up on the arrows. So, but I came back to I hate this. Never mind, the trade was in profit, and I didn't lose that much today. Never mind, I don't care to this. So this is this trade. I wouldn't have recommended this because we're at the end of the hour, and the end of the hour, the last 10 minutes of the end of the hour aren't too much good, and I don't like to trade them. Also for the 5 minute, the first 5 minutes of the hour and 5 minutes before the hour, I don't like them. I don't like to trade them because main trends and the major movements that happens in the after the 5 minutes of the first count of after the first 5 minutes of the hour, and from the after the 13 minutes of the hour, you can, if you had a uptrend in the first 13 minutes of the hour, strong uptrend, you're gonna expect a retracement for this uptrend during the last 30 minutes. So this is it. I see the first hour we make the big moves, and in the first minute of the hour the price makes big moves, and in the upcoming 30 or even 20 minutes after the first 30 minutes of the hour, we get the retracement and the correction of the price. And also vice versa, if the last second from 30 to the end of the hour, we had a strong uptrend. We're gonna expect retracement on the next in the next 30 minutes of the start of the next hour. We're going to see a retracement and a correction. So those were just extra tips and advice on how to trade with the systems and those tricks you won't find them. No one will tell you. No. Uh, I'm not saying no one will tell you, but most of traders don't pay attention to this, to the timing, because the timing plays a major part in the trading. And real traders will tell you this, and well experienced traders will tell you such things and tricks. And another advice is that don't believe those people who came and tell you about a great system, a great software to trade for you and stuff. Trading has never been easy that way. And if we all have that secret formula to trade in the trading, no one will share it. This is the first thing. No one will share you a secret thing that will make you rich overnight. And the second thing is that if everyone has a secret formula, we would have been all millionaires. So this is honest and real and logic review for today, and live trading also side of live trading. And I try to be honest and real and logical when it comes to explaining about trading. I don't do that thing of saying this is a good system and this system is 100% accuracy. I don't like to do this. Even though I have this system, I'm not saying it's 100% uh, accurate, but if you know how to use it and follow the rules to trade it strictly, you're going to be having consistent profits. That's all. You need everything in the world needs its rules to be followed in order to be a good thing. The system it needs to be treated with the rules with its rules strictly. And if you got like and if you got good profits in it in trading it for next time, you're going to get enough and go out. Don't be greedy and just follow every signal and want to take every signal, make more profits. Just get enough, like 7 wins, 5 wins a day, or a X amount of profits per day, and get out. If you keep trading with the system, even not my system, you're going to get overtrade, and this is not good psychologically and physiologically. So don't do this. Just try to get a reasonable number of signals per day, make profits, and go out and live your life and do something worthwhile. Don't get with the street. Don't get with the screen all day. So I know that I have been talking about this, but this is from my own experience, and because I'm honest and I want to share with you uh, honest things and advices you can find everywhere you go. And according to the live feed, it's still open for free until the end of this week, but the next Monday you will have to pay a monthly fee in order to get access. And I'm managing to make the live feed to be 24 hours open. Although I have some internet issues, but I'll work on that to change my provider, and I may go and complain about what I'm having these days. Maybe because it's because of the bad weather we're having nowadays. But still, I need to go and check in with them. So, and for the price of the live fee, the monthly fee, I am trying to make it to reduce it and I'm not looking for too much money for this. I'm just applying a fee just to protect my system and my clients. That's all. And I also want your suggestions on how much you can afford to pay for this month for this live feed. And I do care about my client satisfaction, so I will wait for you to just PM me how much you, not how much, but I want to make a vote all on how much you can afford, and then I got the average and apply it. So that's been all for today, and thanks for watching the review and the video. See you soon.